BlackRock Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. BlackRock's retirement planner offering includes tools like High Retired and a Life Path Fund are designed to assist individuals in preparing for retirement. However, here's a quick overall based on the available information about this platform, which is a BlackRock Retirement Planner. So talking about the good side of this platform, it comes with comprehensive tools, which is a comprehensive planning tools, which provide the digital tools such as High Retired and a Life Path to help users estimate retirement income and plan accordingly. They also come with a institutional expertise and a focus on retirement income, which emphasizes the importance of generating a sustainable income in retirement, addressing concern about overlifting or overliving savings. And talking about the downside about this platform, which is the complexity of offering. The varieties of tools and investment options may be overwhelming for some users, requiring time and effort to understand fully. And also, it comes with a potential conflict of interest and a limited personalization. While tools like iRetire provide estimate, they may not account for all individual circumstances, necessitating additional personalized advice. And that's for the downside, which is the bad side of this platform. Now, talking about the overall bottom line about this platform, BlackRock offers a suite of tools and investment options aimed at helping individuals plan for retirement with a strong emphasis on generating sustainable income. However, users should be prepared to navigate the complexity of offering and consider seeking personalized financial advice to tailor plans to their specific need. Thanks.